Hi, if you need to find all of your apps on Google Pixel Watch free, then just press this digital crown from watch face, and this is list of all of your apps. You can scroll through this list. You can switch from this type of view to grid type of view, and now it will look like that. You can also press once this side button to open your recently viewed apps, and you can remove them from recents by pressing and holding and selecting this option to remove. If you want to install more, then in this app list find Play Store. Here tap on Search Settings, search for apps, and then install something from the list by tapping Install. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.